Carrie Cutler here, author of Math Positive Mindsets, Growing a Child's Mind Without Losing Yours. And I'm here with my helpers, McGregor, Quinn, and Knox. And we're doing an activity called Secret Shape. McGregor's got a bunch of folders that say Secret Shape. And in each folder, there's one of these shapes. Now, don't worry about the colors. I was just trying to save money by using some scratch paper when I printed them out and cut them out. And these two boys, Quinn and Knox, are gonna ask questions about the secret shape. All right, Quinn, you wanna start off?
Yes.
Yes or no question?
Does the secret shape have 4 or more sides?
And he can only answer yes or no.
Yes.
Yes, it has 4 or more. Okay, so what are you gonna do with our pile here? If it doesn't have 4 or more, get rid of it. All right, what about the ones that are curvy? Yeah, we can get rid of those. What about the other curvy-ish one?
Wait, isn't it curly? Wait, yeah.
That's a very irregular shape if it has a curve, right?
Yeah.
Like that guy? Okay, good, you noticed it. All right, set it aside. Knox, can you ask a question about the shape?
Does the secret shape have 6 or more sides?
6 or more sides?
It does not have 6 or more sides.
Okay, it does not have 6 or more sides. All right, do we have any shapes here that have 6 sides?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Yeah, I can hold it.
All right, Quinn, ask a question.
Does the secret shape have 5 sides?
Yes.
Okay, the secret shape has 5 sides. Quinn, Knox, help get rid of the shapes that don't have 5 sides. Count them quick.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, okay, this one has 5. That shape right there has 5 sides, so keep that one. We need to get rid of all the ones that don't have 5 sides.
I'm just moving
You're
on.
welcome.
Oh my gosh.
Please. Yes, please.
That one has 4 sides. And that one has 4 sides. Okay, we are left with only 2 shapes. Let's scoot them a little close together so we can see what's different about them. All right. Quinn, how would you ask a question to differentiate these 2 shapes? What could you say about those shapes?
You could say bigger or smaller.
Does your shape go down like this and then up?
We call that concave. If
Yes.
it caves in.
Then it's this one.
Oh, if it's concave, it's this one. Yay! McGregor, show us in the folder. Let's double check.
I'm pretty sure you got it.
You're pretty sure? Yay!
You
It
guys
looks
got
the
it wrong. That would
same.
be a really bad thing.
Thanks for playing, boys.
Let me match it.
I hope you're having a great day building math positive mindsets with your kids.